The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a delivery driver delivering a package to a homeowner when something unexpected happened. After placing the package in the chair, the delivery driver returned to his car, but this was when the porch pirate took action. The homeowner was extremely surprised when the culprit who stole the food was his close friend. After observing and waiting for the delivery driver to leave, the dog quickly made a robbery without anyone noticing. It was too late for the driver to discover the situation. The porch pirate took the food and escaped to the backyard.